Hey, what's up? My name is DJ. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been rocking with me a while, appreciate it. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter of the basically it's a 2014 Audi A6 C7, but this will be for the C7 models. I think that's 2012 or 2012 or 13, all the way up to 2015, if I'm not mistaken. But today I'll be using Wix for the air filter. Looks like this. So you want to pop your hood, and I'm gonna show you just in case if you don't know how to pop your hood. You literally come in here and you just pull this right there. That's your hood pop. Only thing for this that you're gonna need is a flathead. So you're gonna take this right here, and literally lefty loosey, all right? All right, get that nice and loose. Then you're also going to do this one right here, and once again, you do it that way, all right? Perfect. All right, from this point, once you do that, you're gonna take this and stick it up in there. Boom, just like that. You might want to use like a, instead of using this hard, because you see I'm scratching up that a little bit, but instead of using the hard, just like use a door pillar, or one of those plastic pieces, or put like maybe a paper towel right here just to get that up, because you don't want to keep scratching that and possibly aesthetically it doesn't look right, even though you're not hurting anything. So you want to take this off right here, push that in, and just push that up right there, all right? Then this one has a sliding mechanism. Let me just put that right there. This has a sliding mechanism, and you literally take the sliding mechanism and you just pull this to the, and you twist it like that, and then you take this and you just start pulling straight up just like that, all right? 1 second. So once you do that, if you have it off the guardrails like that, you just pull. You pull straight up like that, all right? And then you just take it out, and this is what it's gonna look like. Put that right there. Then you take this, work it on out, and clearly this needs to be changed. So I'm gonna straighten this out, and you can see this is a Audi original part. And it has the sleeve, but if you look at this is quite long and narrow. And then you have this one, same size, like same diameter, but it's just a little bit shorter than the other guy. So I'll let you know how this does, but it does fit the car and everything, but I'll let you know how the performance is and everything else. Hang on real quick. So at this point, you want to check in here. You see that there's leaves and debris and all that other stuff, so we got to go in here and clean that stuff on out. So I'm gonna just literally take this and put this to the side. I'm gonna take my paper towel right here, and literally we're just gonna grab and dump that stuff right on out. You want your air box as clean as possible up in here. And once you do that, we move on to the next step. So you do the best you can. I don't have a shop vac, so I can't clean this out, but you do your best you can, right? You grab as much as you possibly can to go ahead and clean this out when you don't have a shop vac that could suck these leaves and other stuff up out of here. But you just want to make sure that your hole isn't clogged, and at least that's good to go. And as you can see, this also has that shielding, so it's doing the same thing that the other filter does. Want to make sure that it's perfectly in line and it's good to go. Let's go ahead and put it in there. So you want the big opening in on that side, and then this one towards that little hole that was in there that you seen earlier. So you put that right there. You line it up with that hole. And it creates like a sill once you line that hole, once you line it up with that hole right there. See what I'm saying? And then the way you know, because it's like it's kind of tight to pull it out. So you just want to slide that back up in there. Just like so. Line it up with that hole. And push that right up in there, and you should be good to go. Just like that. Alright. Let me go back in here. You take this piece. And the way you put this back on, you line this part up. You line this part up right here with, you put that, first of all, you line it seems to fit perfectly. If you look in there, you can see that it's clearly connected to the hole that's in there, like it's right on center. And the way I did it was, and I'm gonna show y'all, I pulled it straight up. I pulled it straight up just like that, and I stuck this in there just like that, so it's like this. And then literally you just line it, and then when you line it, you can already see that it's already like 100% lined with the hole that's already there, which makes it perfect. So as I said, you just line that up, you make sure that that hole is 100% lined up with it. Once you do that, all right, once it's 100% lined up, you take this, and you push that all the way. You take your ring, you want to make sure that your ring lines up right in between that and that. You see it? These two notches right here, you just want to make sure they're lined up right in that. You want to put this back, push that all the way in, and make sure that that's good. And then you take this, my bad, you take this, once again, make sure that it's all the way up in there. You put these guys back, and then you tighten that up. Real easy, real simple, y'all. Real simple, real easy. All right, I'm just tightening this up. You want to do it kind of gently because you're going to push it if you don't. And you want to make it hand tight, all right? Between those two notches. All right. See? And that's it. Once you do that, thank you, and then you're finished. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day. That's how you change your cabin air filter in your C7 2000. Well, in this particular one, 2014 Audi A6 3.0 Prestige Quattro C7. Bye.